Hello. Hi, welcome. It's Myranda Love here. I just got off a Q&A call with my clients, one of our weekly group coaching calls that we do in our mastermind, the Business Coach Accelerator here at Ninja Growth Strategies. And what always comes up is, Myranda, how do I create my high ticket offer? Who should I market it to? I'm good at so many different things. How do I know which one to choose? How do I put my expertise into an offer that sells? Listen, excellent questions. If you've been thinking about those yourself, then you are in the right place. So what we do is that's what our entire first week of our module, this was somebody new that whenever they were getting started asking these questions today, they just joined today. So the whole first week is called High Ticket Clarity. And we really help you start first with your why, your mission. What are you doing? What are you wanting to do? What are you great at? How can we package that into an offer that will sell? And whenever I speak about high ticket, I'm talking about $5,000 or more in the initial engagement. We're not talking about $500 or, pennies or anything like that. We're talking about actually getting some income into your business and actually getting results for you and for your clients as well. So what I would recommend is, if you haven't yet watched our free training, which is how to make your first six figures as a business coach using LinkedIn, then I would recommend that you go there. It's really breaks it down into how you can get started on these concepts. And so that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com. And again, it should be I'll type it in the chat for y'all. It's at ninjagrowthstrategies.com. And so I really break the concepts out for you, which number one is to be the expert. So what are you the expert at? How do you need to know what to do? So most people will keep running and running and running around in their minds. How do I know, I'm great at so many things, Myranda. I can help people. I've done this in the corporate space, agile coaching or marketing. And now I also just really am passionate about living a more fulfilled life. How do I incorporate it? Who do I target? These are the type of the questions that we help our clients experts solve day in and day out. And the main thing that what we'll do with you is we help you create that offer in a way that you don't have to have a big program or a big membership site or anything like that to get started. Actually, it's better if you don't have those things. It's better if you don't. So what we'll do is we'll help you to we'll get you on the phone and start taking sales calls and use those sales calls as actually market research. And then we'll help you create an outline for your program at the beginning, using my 25 years of experience helping businesses grow and 10 years as an online entrepreneur and marketing and helping other entrepreneurs and experts and specifically coaches specifically for the past 2 years and helping other businesses online, in addition to the one that I started and sold as well for the past 5 years. There's a lot of numbers in there, but the point is I got the experience and I've got the proven system that can help in my Business Coach Accelerator that can help coaches like you figure these things out. We're going to use that experience and the expertise in the Ninja Growth system to actually see what will work for your clients and will help leverage your time as well. Because that's the thing, a lot of coaches that are out there, they're doing one-on-one or they're, just kind of busy doing a lot of busy work in their business and to try to market their business. And then when they get clients, it's all this one-on-one work and they think that that's what they have to do to create and market an offer that will sell. Well, let me tell you right now that is not the case. That is actually the exact wrong way to go about it. I don't know if a lot of people just don't have, for some reason, they just think that they can't just get out there and start doing it. And I guess it's like a confidence, lack of investing in themselves at that level, and lack of having a proven system and a mentor to actually show them how to do it. So if that's you, you're confused, you don't know what you should put in your offer, what you should actually try to market and sell, that's what I'm the expert at. That is what I am the expert at. Here at Ninja Growth Strategies, we own the high ticket space for business coaches, executive coaches, leadership coaches, sales coaches, marketing coaches, mindset coaches, confidence coaches that can help people make better, help grow their businesses or careers. Listen, we own that space. They're on LinkedIn. There's almost 1 billion users on LinkedIn right now. We can help you create an offer that will sell. We'll take a look at all of your expertise. I've got some worksheets and some trainings and lessons that you go through that really helps you get that clarity that you're looking for, that you need. And not only that, you get to speak with me. You get to talk with me about it. We'll go through it and we'll be like, no, you shouldn't put this in there. You should put this in there. I'm not afraid to help you pick something. I'm not afraid. A lot of coaches are out there. It's like, oh, I don't want to take that responsibility. Listen, either way, it's going to be a win-win. You're going to gain lots of experience doing it. But we're going to help you pick the offer that will make you the money the fastest. Because when you're in my 8-week boot camp, I want your results. I want you to get a huge ROI right away. So I'm not going to let you keep dangling on the fence trying to figure these things out. We're going to pick something, and we're going to pick the one that's going to work for you using the Ninja Growth System for reaching out and targeting ideal clients on LinkedIn, and using our client attraction sales system for actually enrolling them into your high ticket program. So if you have a lot of confusion on this, and you don't want to do it alone, or you're not sure, you've been kind of on the fence, what should I put in my program, what should I not put in my program, I would invite you to check out this webinar. It's the first place to start. It will help you get that clarity to get going. And so go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com right now and check that out. Just click the link right here below this and check it out and get started there. And then after you've watched the webinar, if you want to speak with us directly, one-on-one about your business, then we'll do that for you as well. You can apply for a free breakthrough call with us. And that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. And once again, that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. And on that phone call, we will talk with you one-on-one. We'll find out what are you good at? What have you been doing? What is in your career? Do you currently have a coaching business right now? Is it working for you? Do you want to switch things up? Or do you need to switch things up? Or is the only problem that you just need more appointments, more people to speak to? You got a solid offer, you got a solid program, you just need more clients? We can help you with that as well. We'll give you that clarity that you need and the breakthrough that you're looking for. Find out, is it your program? Is it your niche? Is it your marketing? Is it your pricing? What is it that's not working for you? And what is it that's working for you really well? And where is it that where do you want to go? And if it looks like we can help bridge that gap for you, then on this call, we'll absolutely map that out for you and let you know exactly how we can get you from where you are now to where you want to be, if we feel that it's a good fit. And then we may invite you to be one of the ones that we help to work with this, to help you with this. We may not. We may just be like, okay, here you go. We'll point you in the right direction, give you the map, give you some resources, and go with that. But if we do invite you to be one of the few experts that we do take on to help to work with this in our Business Coach Accelerator program, then the choice will be up to you at that point. I would recommend taking us up on that. But anyways, that's how you do create your high ticket offer, is you need to just pick something and go with it and get it out there. But you need to do that with the help and the support of working with a mentor and an expert who's actually out there day in and day out and working with other business coaches and experts and helping them put their offer into a program that will sell and knows what's actually selling today. We had a leadership coach that came to us not that long ago, and he was doing $150 sessions. He was even flying around doing $150 sessions. And we helped him put his expertise into a high ticket offer that was $15,000. And he actually, while he was just in the boot camp, I think he got like 3 $15,000 clients. He was charging $150 before. So listen, we're going to get you out of that. We're going to get you out of that confusion and get you out of that, oh, well, if I do this, then this will happen, and do this, and I'm not sure. We're going to give you that clarity that you need. We're going to help you own your space as the expert that you are, help you put your expertise into an offer that will sell. Now, listen, it is not for people who are not an expert at anything. You've got to have had a way. It could be great if you're an expert at a lot of things. We'll help you narrow that down, okay? But you got to have gotten results for you, your clients, your employer, your friends, or your family members, or somebody, okay? You've got to have a way of helping people. And if you've got a way of helping people, then we'll help you create that offer that will actually and charge for it in the way that it benefits your clients the best and benefits you too. So we're going to teach you all of that. We're going to help you with it. Get started on that free web class, and that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com. And that's 5 shortcuts to making multiple six figures this year as a business coach using LinkedIn. I am Myranda Love. Once again, I am signing out now, and I'm the CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies. And so go check out that web class at ninjagrowthstrategies.com. And whenever you're ready to speak with us one-on-one and have that breakthrough that you're looking for in your coaching business, apply for a free phone call with us. And that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. And we will talk soon.